Hi everyone, welcome to Folk Academy. So see, in this problem we are going to solve a problem on PN junction diode. So here, how to find forward resistance for given PN junction silicon diode. So whenever forward current is 25 milliamperes at a temperature 300 Kelvin. So here forward resistance means, so whenever the diode in forward bias, it offers some resistance. So that resistance is called as forward resistance. So at that time we have a forward current that is given as 25 milliamperes at a room temperature 300 Kelvin. How can you find the forward resistance? And this is the problem. So first of all, write the given data. So that is given as the current, that is forward current I is given as 25 milliamperes and the temperature T is given as 300 Kelvin. Now we know the relation for forward resistance and forward current. So that is forward resistance RF is always equal to eta Vt by current I. So here eta is the constant value, and for silicon diode eta is equal to 2. So it becomes 2 into, and Vt means thermal voltage, nothing but temperature by 11,600 upon, and current is given as 25 milliamperes. It is 25 into 10 power minus 3. That's equal to 2 into temperature is given as 300 Kelvin, 300 upon, and bring this value in denominator and it becomes 11,600 into 25 into 10 power minus 3. So by using calculator, by simplifying this, we will get 2.068 ohms, and this is the forward resistance offered by the given diode, and this is the problem of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.